Hi, you welcome back to my channel. What a joy. We are in a new year, a year we've been longing for to see, and we've been looking for to escape 2020, and 2020 is now in the past. I want to say a big thank you to those who subscribe to my channel and who like, watch, and share my videos on a weekly basis. I want to say big thank you to you. Together, we rocked the markets in 2020 and, of course, made some good profits off the market despite the various ups and downs we had with the pandemic, which we're still looking at a second wave. And for my subscribers here, I know we had some profits from our analysis for last week. It was rather a short one. I really didn't want to go to many other pairs, but I believe we had some good profits with the analysis I put out. For some, if like those of you who are used to my videos, Monday's price action gave us reasons to look towards alternate analysis. And on the whole, we closed the year on a high. If you're new to my channel, I'd like you to click the subscribe button and the bell notification just beside it, so that way you'll be notified as soon as I upload new videos. And if you found these videos helpful to your trading, I'll urge you to please click the like button. Always, please don't forget to do that. Yeah, it shows support for my channel. And with that said, we'll be looking forward to a new weekly analysis for January the 4th to the 8th. Well, I'm super excited to get these across to you. Wow, so what are we looking forward to seeing the markets do this new week, the first working week of the year? On my screen, I'm looking at the pound dollar pair. And for this pair, we ended the a week on a high. We've been bullish for some weeks now with the pound dollar pair. And where the price is right now, based on price action, I'm expecting a reversal, a pullback into the broken resistance that will return to support at the 1.3390 area. A pullback from there. Let's zoom in to lower time frames. And on the daily, we're also seeing price surge, broke to a new high, but we're getting indication from the candle of on the 31st, yeah, that there's reduced momentum here. So we're looking forward to a pullback that will come as low as the 1.3390 area. We have some levels to take care of, to clear before we come down that deep. First of all, we look forward to seeing price get to the 1.3530 area first of all, and if we have good momentum from that area going downwards, then we'll look forward to seeing price get to the 1.3390 area. We have divergence on the stock. I'm sorry, my RSI here. So essentially, we're looking forward to getting that move as a pullback to downside. We're still in a bullish trend with the pound dollar pair, but we want to see a pullback before we continue to the upside. A pullback first into this broken resistance stance that will be turning to support here. We might not come that low, but I'll be looking forward to first of all getting that retracement pullback back into this area before we continue higher. So if you use your strategies, you could trade the pullback if you can. Let's look at the 4 hour time frame. Yeah, 4 hours. Already we're getting reversals here on 4 hour. It's been top. Doji telling us there's market indecision in the market, and hopefully, I think we'll see that move down this way. First of all, if the volatility is good enough this week, we'll see the bounce off here, and we'll continue to the upside. We'll see a continuation to the upside from this zone. That's for the pound dollar pair. I'll do a new pair this week. I'm looking at the euro pound cross pair. Uh, it's my first, and it's one I usually trade. But this is my first. That was my first time putting it in my video. For those who are interested, I do day trading of several currency pairs other than the ones I put out here on YouTube. Now, for this pair, we've seen a mad rush to the downside. Price has attempted the highs and has retraced and is heading to the downside. So for this pair, I want to see a retracement up into this zone here at the 0.8980 area. Could be a bit lower. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, about the 8980 area for us to continue to the downside. We get a retracement back. It could even be low as 0.8970 area before we continue to the downside. Going low as the 0.8900 handle. So if you want to trade this, look forward to I'm looking forward to a 70 pip move. Depends on where it retraces from. So if we see the reversals, when we see reversal, anyway, we see reversal from, I'll look forward to 70 pip move downwards. But look, using psychological numbers, we can place our take profits at the 0.8900 handle. The next I'll look at is the Aussie yen pair, and we were quite spot on this. The same way we are with the pound dollar pair. Um, we surpassed our targets for our analysis for the Aussie yen pair, and for the Aussie yen pair, but based on what we have on the weekly, we've seen price go way up and went as high as the 7979 area in price and closed at the 79.50 area. Now, the next key level of resistance is at the 79.90 area. Most likely, we'll see price touching that high and getting a retracement back into this broken resistance that will be turning to support the 79.00 handle. So I'm looking forward to a reversal of this, but first we most likely will touch the highs before we turn down. Let's look at lower time frame, see if we can get that. We might have a double top there before retracing into this zone, the 79.00 handle. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Now, the same thing we have here. So I'm expecting that move to this broken resistance that we're turning to support here. And when we get into this zone, I think let's look at the daily to be clear at the daily. Once we get this move back here and we don't get a break and close below this, we'll be going to the next key level of resistance, 79.90 area. could be the 80 handle. You can look at price getting to that high and most likely breaking and closing above it. But when we get this retracement, if we have a break and close below this level at the 79 handle, the next key level of support will be at the 77.80 area. So if we have a break and close below the 79 handle, price will come in to the 77.80 area. That's our next key level of support. The next I'm looking at is gold. And for this pair, let's look at the weekly. I'm looking forward to going higher with this pair. Yeah, I'm looking forward to a slight retracement and continue to the upside. Looking forward to seeing a retracement to the 1895 area and for us to go high. The next key level of resistance is at this 1901 area. When we break and close, if we break and close above that, I believe we're going to break and close above that. The next key level is the 19.13 area. If we break and close above that, the next I'll be looking for to see price get to is 19.26, 19.25 area. We might not get as high as this resistance here at the 1929 area, or we could get as high as 19.25, 19.26 area. Let's look at the lower time frame so we get a clear picture of what I'm looking at. First of all, let's just quickly do this so you understand what I'm doing. Let's draw a trend line here, and from our trend line here we have a trend line break here. So I'm expecting a small retracement for us to break these highs at the 1901 area for us to then go way up to the upside. 1926, yeah, is my maximum target for this pair for gold this week. The next I'll look at is the dollar Canadian dollar pair. For this pair, what we have something that looks like a double bottom. Yeah, we've seen price retrace from here, went up, and has come to test this area, the 1.2765 area. What I'm expecting is a reversal candle on lower time frame. So that's we look at already. We have one here, a hammer on the daily time frame. So I'm expecting price to go up. We could go as high as getting to the next key level of resistance at the 1.2989 area. So I'm expecting price to go to this area this week. So we'll just look forward to seeing price go up this way to the 1.2989. It could be 2985 to be on the safe side area. That's for the dollar Canadian dollar pair. The next I'll look at is the dollar yen pair. And for the dollar yen pair, I'll be somewhat bullish with the dollar pairs because we're getting something that looks like double bottoms for most of them. So for this one, I'm looking for to seeing price come to the 104.20 area. 104.20 area. We have a double bottom here already, and something close to a hammer here formed on the 31st of last month. So looking forward to seeing price go to the upside. We could go as high as the next key level of resistance at the 104.49 area, but I use the fibs to get a prediction where price is most likely to stall. Nope, that's not. Let me get my fib tool to. Okay, quickly, let's get this done. Now, I'm looking for the 50% retracement of this, which is at the 104.27 area. In between the 61.8% and the 50% retracement is the next key level of resistance. So we could see price also get here, but I'll be bullish on the the dollar yen pair. The last I'll be looking at is the euro dollar pair. And for this pair, I want to see, already we've gotten reversal to come to the downside. Let's look at the weekly very quickly. So we have something that looks like a double top here. So looking for seeing price coming to the 1.2075 area as a way of a pullback, because we are in an uptrend with dollar the euro dollar pair. Just mixing up things, don't mind me. I'm trying to be as fast as possible so we don't make the videos too long. So for this pair, which is the last pair, the euro dollar pair, already we have a bearish engulfing here. We have bearish divergence on the RSI here. So we're expecting price to come. Maybe we could get as low as the 1.20 handle, which was the last resistance broken that will be turned into support. We might get there, but I think price most likely will get to the 1.21 handle first. That's where I'm looking for to see price get to 1.21. We could get it, let's say 1.2120, 1.2120 area. So if you can use your pullback strategies to trade the pullback, we might be in a pullback, but if we have, as in for most of the week, but if we have good volatility, we'll see reversals around here for us to still go to the upside. And with that said, please remember the opinions I've just put out here are my opinions of what the market is going to do. It's not intended as an investment advice. It's just for educational purposes only. And with that said, trade your plan, stay safe, and the profits should be yours. I'll see you in the next video.